What's up, Instagram? Sending here with another video. I already did talk about the finished build this Zaku 2 Red Gundam. It's been piloted by the Sharasuna. You can see I already attaches the body of its hose, the backpack. Right now I'm trying to finish its hands and its weapons. I'm just adding detail. Yes, okay. Alright. I am so gonna buff this pop-up. Now, where's my buffer? I guess I forgot about it, so I guess I'm just gonna open this up. So the section of the body, I'm gonna buff it at any time. Alright, that is on. Oh crap, so 6:30, damn. Alright, that's been done. I just have to hurry up though. If anybody decides to build this type of fast grade, you should always have a cement ready. Tamiya cement or even the hobby cement. Alright then. You can see the body's already been done. Now the other thing is just the hands need to be done.